Hey fellow team, and welcome back to Grapes and Glitter TV, part 2 of our acrylic nail video. I'm going to show you guys how to make a French tip look using the dip well dipping system. This is my pinky, which I have just recently taken off in my last video. I've already taken off my other nails, but I want to show you from scratch how we do this. Save you some money at home, you know. So I've already got my nails kind of placed out. They're placed by number. So if you buy a kit of fake nails, you'll see them having different numbers so that you can match the size. So I've already matched my size, so you guys don't have to wait for that. So I'm just measuring my pinky, making sure that looks good. I've already cut off any extra nail. You don't really want your nail too long if you're going to put on false nails. So put a little glue on there, and you want to press downward so that your nail is not lifting. So just press really, really firmly for about 30 seconds or so. And then I always go over the nail and my natural nail with a little bit of glue. So yeah, super long, super cute, but we're not keeping them this long. So I'm gonna clip these, and I'm just gonna use some regular nail clips. I normally use these, which are like your dog nail clippers, I think. But mine kind of broke, so we're just gonna use regular, which is perfectly fine. You want to clip each side, kind of like at an angle-ish. It's hard to get it straight on because it's a long nail, at your desired length. One side, do the second side, and then you're just gonna wiggle the nail off. And kind of just push it back and forth and twist until it just comes off. And there you go. Don't worry about how it looks. We will file and make that all pretty in the meantime. So after you've clipped all of your nails, this is what it should somewhat look like. You are going to file because, again, we don't want them to look this way. Especially filing at the end is really important because you don't want that jagged feeling. You want a smooth finish just like you get at the salon. Again, I am no means a professional, but I want to find ways to save money, especially with baby coming. So this is just something that I chose to do. I love doing nails, so hopefully this can help you guys out. So using my little brush after I've used my file and also my nail drill, I will just kind of brush off any excess. Also, make sure you're filing on the top of your nail because where the fake nail and natural nail meet, you definitely don't want any bulkage there. So step 1 is the bonder. This makes your powder actually adhere to your natural nail. So I put this on the line in between my natural nail and the fake nail, but this is kind of where I messed up, so please make sure you do the entire nail because you want all of the powder to stick where it should. The base will be the sticky part, but the bonder also helps that bond. So that's step 1. Next, I will take my base and finish, which is my clear powder. Please do not mix up this and the French white. I have done this before also. Your whole nail will be white and you will not like it. So put the white aside. It will say French white. And you will want to take your step 2, which is the base. Now again, this is where the powder is actually going to stick. So wherever this base is where the powder is going to stick. So I always start from bottom to top. But mainly that line where the nail meets at first for our first dip, because you want to make sure that it's adhered very, very, very tightly. So just at a 45-degree angle, stick it in there. It doesn't have to be in there long. And just kind of move it back down and tap, 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 tap. Get all that extra off. Use your brush and it should look something like this. Again, wherever the base is where the powder will stick. But please make sure you put the bonder on the entire nail, your step 1. So we're going to go back over using step 2, and we are going to do the entire nail here, and we are going to stick in the French white right at the tip. You want to make this smiley face line, so be very careful when you do this. And this will be your French tip, I guess. And right after that, do not brush anything off. You're going to stick it directly into your pink, the transparent pink. It will not brush on the white, so don't worry about that. But you want it to look as natural as possible. So French white first, and then right after that you're dipping it into the pink, and it should look something like that. So I'm going to do the rest of my nails there. And after you're finished with all of your nails, dipping them in the white tip and into the pink, you're going to go back into your basic finish, and you will do one more coat right on top of everything, just to kind of make sure it looks all nice and neat. And then after you're done with that, you will use your step 3, which is your activator step. This step will actually set all of the powders so that you're done with that. So now that you've done the activator, you kind of let that dry for like 2 minutes, and then you're going to want to file it down, file your tip however you'd like it. And then step 4 is our sealant coat. And that's all there is to it, guys. So add some diamond, add some flare. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will do more. Look forward to seeing you guys next time. Thanks for subscribing.